Today we're in San Diego, California. We're at Rachel's Women's Center, and I am so excited for this project. We always see AEC Cares is a blitzfield, a one-day, 24-hour makeover, but the truth is this is a year in the making. We're doing a head-to-toe makeover. We're moving walls, we're creating spaces, we're opening up areas, we're bringing in new light, literally through windows and lighting and paint. We're making our spaces more functional, and you can already feel the impact that this project is having on the surrounding community.
What this means for the clients that are served is a place of welcome, a place of solace, a place of mercy, an ennobling environment that they can truly feel at home here. It emphasizes the importance of human dignity and upholding it and celebrating it. What a gift this whole day has been.
125 plus volunteers show up, and we put them to work transforming the property in a one-day blitz build. Again, there's a lot of pre-work done by Stantec and Whiting Turner to get us to this point, and we couldn't do it without them. By the end of the day, on Blitz Day, we have transformed the space, and what our goal is to make the space more comforting and enhance the environment that the ladies are living in here, so they have an inviting place and a warm place that they can take comfort in.
Every person in this city, every person deserves to live with the confidence that there is a support system for them, that they will be safe, that they will be protected, even in the face of unimaginable hardship. And Rachel's Women's Center is a great example of that support system.
This was a unique facility in that it also serves as a donation bank. So people drop off clothing here, and then the clients here come and if they're going on job interviews, they can find clothes to wear. We're going to redo that donation drop off. We're going to have a beautification area for these ladies to really feel good about themselves.
As a woman, the way that you get dressed, the place where you're showering, the place where you're doing your laundry, the place where you're, spending your waking hours is really important. The way that you go to shop for your clothing and do your hair, and all of that is critical. And we wanted to make sure that those spaces were on par with the balance of the facility as we were doing some of the more impactful things like an ADA ramp and new windows and new lighting and a new skylight. That's all great. We're going to make sure that we didn't forget the small everyday spaces as well.
We were put on this earth to do something good. And if we can use our corporate know-how, willpower, and also overall the want and the care in doing the right thing, I think that's the most important.
Thank you for being one of the doers that is happy to not just talk on social media about our homelessness crisis, but instead is willing to roll up your sleeves and do something about it. When you leave, you will leave this city knowing that you left it better than you found it.
Today marks an exciting new chapter in Rachel's history. Thanks to the generosity and dedication of AEC Cares, Construct Connect, the many volunteers and generous sponsors, Rachel's Women's Center will continue its mission in a refreshed and revitalized space. New paint, updated furnishings, and renovated areas throughout the center creates a more welcoming environment that reflects the quality of service provided here every day. This place needed a lot of love. It needed that place where they call home to look like a home that I lived in. I wanted this place to be better. It took 7 years of prayer and dreams for today to happen, and I thank you for making the dream happen.